Guys, welcome to Bear. Today we're playing a scary game. My brother might join. Okay. Jeremiah, you can play! Okay. Jeremiah, play with me! Yeah, I'm trying to get him to play. Dang, this bear is killing people fast. I decided to play one of the least scary games before I play some of the scariest. Jeremiah, join.
Why?
Because just join. I'm filming. Come on. Oh no, there's the bear, there's the bear, there's the bear, there's the bear. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. No, 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 no. Stop, 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 stop. No, 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 I ran out of sprint, I ran out of sprint. Stop, 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 stop. No, 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 not like this, please, please, please. No, 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 no. Okay, guys, I'll start filming whenever the next round starts. Bye. All right, another round, another bear.
Now I just send him a
Don't.
message.
Stop. Ooh, this map is spooky. Oh. Oh, when will you listen to me? That's weird.
I'm not leaving. I'm not a dog. He's my brother.
Jeremiah, stop.
You know what I was about to say next?
Dude, stop. I'm filming. You do that again, I'm not going to film with you again. I almost stopped. Guys, don't listen to my little brother. He's being rude right now. Stop.
I'm just mad.
Stop. You're not in any videos anymore. Hello, it's my friend. Shout out to that dude. He's my best friend. His name is Rickman25. And go check out his YouTube. He makes really cool videos similar to mine. He's
You
like
mean like
No.
School Man 25?
No, shush. Okay, his channel name is Rascal Gamer. Go check him out. He's awesome. Oh no. Run, 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 run.
I'm just so frustrated
Oh my gosh, I heard the bear. Oh no, this is where we spawned. Oh no, we're stuck. No, my friend! I lost my friend. I lost my friend.
Never mind. If he exploded as a bean, then I don't want him to be a bean. Wait, that was stupid. They literally had a puzzle.
Please.
Then I had to go around then it.
I'm dead.
Oh no.
Well, I'm gonna start filming whenever the next round starts. Okay, guys, I am a bear. You are bear. Hunt and oof survivors. No mercy. I'm a buckethead. Where are the survivors? Oh, hello. I will spare him because he is my friend.
Spare me.
You think I will? I see you. I see someone over here.
I'm not gonna ask you this, but I'm gonna ask you this off camera.
No, don't. I'm gonna be filming until this round is over. Until we kill everybody. Alright. I mean, oof, everybody. Sorry. Okay, get over here. I will get you. Get over here, Buster. I could jump up there. Ha 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 ha. I see you. I see you.
I'm hacking.
I see you.
Should I make a video of my site?
No. No. You can't really upload anymore, Jeremiah, because you know what? Something happened.
It was copyrighted.
Yes! Sid Witcher! How did she live?
Just to let you know, I'm making a song that's coming out.
Yeah, he's making a song.
And I know most people gonna think it's Trash Breaks the Bacon Hill song. And yes, it does have things about Bill and Piggy.
I see someone over there.
Well, I'm just on a window chilling.
I'm gonna get you.
I'm chilling and pilling. No, please, I don't have a splint.
Get over here. Got him. What's over here? Some sort of secret. Okay.
I'm scared.
I'm happy that I get to have vengeance.
Kill me, 'cause you're kind of rude sometimes.
I'm not rude. I promise I won't kill. Do you see Bucket? Because that's me. I'm Buckethead.
Please don't jump on top of me. That would be really rude. No, please. No! Please, I don't have splint!
Okay, I won't. I'll just chase after you.
Morsi! Baka.
What did you say?
Baka.
That's not nice, dude.
I'm not
Don't
a
say that
Cinderella. Don't
again.
worry, I'm not a Cinderella.
Do you even know what that is?
Yes, I do know a Cinderella. They call people Baka, but I'm not a Cinderella. I'm just saying Baka.
Where's the last survivor?
I also recommend you're wrong what you think about me.
Jeremiah, stop. Stop. Don't be big baby.
I'm not big baby, I'm mad baby.
Yeah, at least you're still baby though.
Shut up. Baka.
Stop, weirdo.
I'll tell you the last survivor.
Where is it, Wreckman?
Yeah.
Where? Upstairs.
He's in a cave.
Oh, a cave?
He's in this cave.
That cave, okay.
Kill him.
I know exactly where that
I
is.
want to see his blood on the ground. I mean in the game, not in real life. The game, guys.
Yas! Where did he go?
Corner him. Don't let him. You let him escape! Dale. Imagine this is all his blood.
Okay, I am gonna quit the video. I'm gonna film the last round. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm a survivor. This is the last round. We're gonna try to win. The last round. Stop. Someone's all. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful face.
I got some ticks.
Ow.
Get your money away.
Let me
I
up.
got something more expensive. I got ticks. Shut up and go away. I got more money. I'm rich. My money, my ticks. My money.
Ticks isn't a thing anymore on Roblox.
Yeah, but it used to be. That was fun.
That was old Robux.
No.
Unfortunately, I don't have the sprint button. Yeah, we do.
No, we don't. Yes, I don't. Oh, I'm watching someone do the puzzle down here. I'm going to the top of the watch.
Hola! Hola! Someone just said hola in the chat out of nowhere. Okay. Got that puzzle done. We are number 1. Oh my goodness.
We got the puzzle done.
We are number 1.
We are number 1 because we got the puzzle done. Stay away.
Is the bear chasing you?
I think so now. Yep, of course it goes for the vacation.
Okay, guys. The bear sees me and now I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Okay, guys. Well, that's it for the video. Bye.